This one's really annoying me. Welcome back, my friends, to another episode of Unsolicited Advice, where every month I dish out some unsolicited advice to an unsuspecting target, whether they wanted it or not. I know you didn't ask for it, but I'm dishing it out anyway. This month, I'm dishing out some unsolicited advice to all the marketing automators of the world. Here we go. Dear marketing automators, stop sending me automated email sequences that feel like they're written by a robot or cut and pasted from a template you found on HubSpot. There's nothing wrong with HubSpot, they just have a lot of templates. Like you, I'm mesmerized by automation flowcharts. I cherish if-then branches and automated tags. Period. I've identified more customer segments in my CRM than Ben & Jerry's has ice cream flavors. Open parentheses, and I'm told they have 40. Period, close parentheses. But good grief! Exclamation point. If your customers, clients, prospects, or subscribers can tell that you're using a marketing automation tool, you're missing the point of marketing automation. Period. I get it. Full stop. Automation tools eliminate repetitive marketing tasks and interactions. Period. However, in an effort to reduce redundancies in your work, you've removed the very thing that made these interpersonal communication tools like email and chat so effective in the first place. You. Exclamation point. Underline. My most successful automation sequence starts with a straightforward email. Hey Mark, I was just thinking about you this morning. How's it going? ? Drew, that's it. Period. It's simple. Period. It's open-ended. It's short, but most importantly, it's social. Period. Sometimes, a simple open-ended question can reignite a dialogue that leads to a sale or a referral or an objection or a new opportunity. Period. So, take a few minutes to renew your least successful automated sequence. Period. Ask yourself, would I take the time to type out every word in this email and send it to a prospect? ? If the answer is no, you're just automating for the sake of automation. Full stop. Here's the deal, If you send me your revised email sequence and I can't tell it was automated, I'll sign up for your free trial, download your white paper, or engage your sales team. Period. Otherwise, I'll report it as spam. Caps lock on. Oh no! Caps lock off. What do you say? ? Do we have a deal? ? Whether you wanted it or not, Andrew Davis. # unsolicited advice. So my friends, there you have it. My letter to the marketing automators of the world. I'm gonna fold this up and hopefully the mailman will take this letter and send it to everyone that's automating for the sake of automating. Take some time to decide if you'd actually take the time to type out every word in your emails, and if you wouldn't, stop automating it. Better yet, stop sending it. I'll see you next time on another episode of Unsolicited Advice. All right, I gotta create another customer segment when we get back for people who unsubscribe after watching these videos.